Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Herbal Wellness, and today we're going to be talking about how to go on the Nature Sunshine website and download a product that maybe you want to advertise or send to a customer, and it is not downloading as a JPEG or a PNG. And I want to just show you how to download that and then how to go and open that up and save that as a PNG file. Okay, because that's really confusing on their site how to do that. So you can choose any product. I'm just going to go shop all, and I'm just going to choose a product. So let's just say we want to download Clean Start. Okay, I'm at the Nature Sunshine website. I'm signed in right here. You don't even have to be signed in to do this. Okay, so I'm going to click on this product here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose Save Image As, and so I'm going to go ahead and I just usually put it in my downloads folder. Whatever folder that you put it in, just remember that because you're going to have to pull that back up, okay? So I'm going to click that in there. It says Clean Start as the file name. And as you notice, it says web file or web. You cannot change it. It will not allow you to download it as a PNG or a JPEG. I'm not sure why, but I found a way around it, and I wanted to be able to show you guys because it was a bit frustrating for me. So anyways, I'm going to click Save. Now, I know that I have saved that in my download folder. Okay, so all I did was click on my folders. I'm bringing this up, and I'm going to go to my download folder, and here it is right there. And I know this is it because it says web file right there, okay? So I'm going to double click that. Now, when you double click that image, it's going to come up in my Paint or whatever this little program I have on my computer, and it will probably come up in the same one as yours. I have a PC, not a Mac, so that possibly could make a difference. But if you go up here to these three dots, you're going to have this drop down menu, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to click Save As, and then this is where I can come down here now and I can save it as a PNG, or I can save it as a JPEG, which is a picture. Okay, both of them are pictures. The PNG to me tends to upload a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to save that. Okay, so let's just say that a couple of ways you can do this through Canva. Let me open up another page here actually. Let's just say I want to do a Facebook post. Okay. So I'm going to open this up in Canva over here, and let's just say, because Canva will not download those as a web file. Okay, so we're going to go to uploads. I don't know if you guys use Canva, but whatever you're uploading it to, this is just an example. Okay, so I'm going to upload files, and then I'm going to go to that download one, and I'm going to choose that PNG. I try to delete this web file because you can't do a lot with it. It will not download it in Canva, okay? So then once I have that, then I can move this over here, and I can take this and share this to Facebook. I can share this to, if I wanted to do a reel or just whatever you're doing. And then I can even show you an example here of Facebook, posting it to Facebook. I'm going to go to my Facebook account because Facebook won't, as far as I know, won't allow you to make a post on your, let's just say that it's your a web file. Also, it just tends not to do that. I don't know why, but anyways, I just found a way around it and wanted to show that with you guys. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a post. Okay, so I'm going to come in here and I am going to act like I'm going to do a post. Okay. So I'm going to add that video. You can drop and drag too, but go to your downloads folder, your PNG, open, and there is your image. Okay, so that is how you download that from the Nature Sunshine website. And for some reason, it downloads it as a web file, and it didn't used to do that, but it does now. But that is the way around that. So I hope you found this video helpful, you guys. Like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.